Screw it. Okay.
Capacities. I get fucking.
Dodo, Canadian. I'm gonna go.
Are
I'll
you?
give you money
What
if
are
you kill me.
you?
I'm a Canadian.
What are
Hey, look,
you?
I'm doing my
1458.
I'm doing my usual
Why
camping.
did you scream Dodo up there? Why did you say sing Dodo Canadian?
I didn't say Dodo at all. What the fuck? I say Canadian.
Sus.
No, I'm not sus. You're sus. Lime if lights turn off. Why should we find an actual Canadian? Maple syrup. Come get your maple syrup. Maple syrup. Oh yeah, maple syrup. Oh, maple syrup. Who wants some maple syrup? It's gonna get you buttered up, boys. Dang it.
Wait, that's just funny.
Where?
Oh, wow. Professional.
Nats was
again.
just in the cafeteria.
Let Juicy talk.
Yeah, I was literally about to walk out of storage into cafeteria. I passed Hunk and someone else and Hatchery.
Is it this
whenever
Disciple?
I
Did
was in,
Disciple walk by you? Because I think I saw this.
when I was in the caf, it was Nats and Doom Vader in there. And then I just went through storage to get a battery.
I was actually heading to storage.
I have a question, Juicy. Was it a body that you just saw, or was it a body that was professional?
It was professional because I was just walking and Allie was about to walk past me from cafeteria and then the report popped up. I thought it was somebody else, but apparently
if you don't remember reporting, then it's Allie.
Like, where did you run it over exactly? In the little kitchen
it was
area,
like
or?
right in between storage and the cafeteria, that little entranceway.
Voting time's almost done. Let's skip or vote.
This has been recent then.
Yeah, what I'm gonna
skip.
There's a few people.
I would sus Doom Vader.
Why?
Really? Why?
Half out of being salty and half because you were the last one with them.
Because they killed you.
I'm gonna go camp lights. Gotta go there, quick. Gotta beat a Sonic. Gonna run over there. Gotta go quick. My stomach hurts. Go. Gonna run over there. Yeah. My stomach hurts. I don't feel good.
Or when it painted any other color.
Yo, I'm camping this area, so if lights turn off, it's one of you or Lime.
I mean, who was it that did it before? Lime? Lime was the one that did it earlier?
Yeah, I saw Lime on that spot, and now you two.
Why during the meeting didn't you tell anyone you're Canadian?
I don't know, I just told only a few people. Like, why not? Because so, the killers will kill me and self-report more like. Okay, you just left. That's rude!
Whether
Gonna keep the lights. Keep the lights. Keep the lights. Yeah. Gonna keep. Do any of you like maple syrup?
Oh.
I give vouch for Salty and Doom.
I don't know.
Salty and Doom, huh?
Where's the body?
Where was the body?
It's only one kill, so.
Where's that Z game?
Weapons?
Damn, that bitch is all the way to the right.
Nah.
Couldn't see it. Must be another professional kill. Me, Salty, and Alex were together, so it can't be us.
Yeah.
I saw 3 people coming from
I
weapons.
just saw Juicy, so I don't think it's Juicy.
Is there like
Yeah, I also saw flops.
Well, that would make.
I don't know. At least for electrical,
And I saw-
definitely.
Okay.
Yeah. Down from electrical,
or like
yeah.
peanut butter jelly.
I saw Honk and Death and
hey,
Annie.
we're just trying
Yeah.
to figure out who's the father here. We're going on Maury.
Yo, who else want to camp with
Yeah.
lights? Who else want to do that, huh?
Why are you guys camping lights?
Yeah, camp the lights.
I didn't see any.
I see 3 people on live panel.
Let's see.
Yeah.
Hmm.
I was just so far away from everything that I.
Oh, I accidentally voted
I will
trying
say
to tap
Doom
into
and
the game.
Salty could have killed me, so I think they're good.
I mean, that's the thing. All it would need is one duck to kill
So
you.
anybody want maple syrup? I'm signaling the Canadian that I'm lying. If the Canadian's still alive.
But I'm not.
Going to lights cause I'm gonna camp.
Chasing me, Ellie. Why are you chasing me?
Yeah, keep the lights. Keep the lights. Yeah. Keep the lights. Gonna keep the lights. Anyways, I don't think I see Salty or Doom go to the light thingy, so I should probably do my tasks, but I'm so busy with camping. This lights. The beautiful lights. Ah! Yes, lights. Ooh. What if the other person is the actual Canadian? I will feel bad. Lights, 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 be the lights, 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 be lights, 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 oh baby, oh hey, oh baby, ain't no baby, motherfucker. All right, besides of Lime, Honk, and Black, which is the deaf guy. Besides of them, all 3 of them were on this thing that unlocks the lights. Besides of them, I'm finally free. I am free from camping lights because lights finally turned off. I'm happy.
No,
Fortnite
I
my
can't.
screen.
I'm free, free as a bird, free as a bird, yeah. I'm free, free as a bird, yeah. I should probably do my tasks. Okay, and there we go. Yeah, we're probably screwed, but I don't care. Free as a bird, free as a bird. Everybody be a bird, just so.
Ooh.
Well, Death is dead, so I guess Death is...
and Doom was there too. So
Hey,
but so was Honk because when I left the room, Honk
I got
was there,
3
so I don't know.
suspicions for who could have unlocked the lights. Lime, Honk, or Mr. Death. Mr. Death's dead. We got 2 more suspicions in case. But if the sheriff or vigilante killed Mr. Death, you can tell us now.
I mean, I didn't even
that.
do that task. I was just standing there because Mr. Death was there.
Well, you probably did it. You probably did the sabotage unlocker thing, or Lime did it.
You have no way of knowing whether or not I did it, so.
I did not.
You were standing there for a little bit, so I'm voting Mr.
Yeah, because
Mr.
Death was standing
most people
there.
to kill me.
I'm voting somebody.
So, like, I have my sus on Doom
who's
and
asking
Honk.
to be killed?
Well, if anyone was wondering, this was definitely a professional.
Lunar, why were you running white?
Well, if it's between me and Disciple, I know it.
Yeah,
I know
I'm Goose, and I've been asking literally everyone to kill me because I would have killed Lucky in Generator if that was the case. Wow.
Oh, is it a 3-way tie?
Damn.
I don't really understand
I like those,
Who's
but like,
voting
how that just
Salty?
happened.
I don't know why you guys are voting me. That's
Free as a bird, free as a bird. Gonna be free cause I'm doing my stuff. Free as a bird, free as a bird. I am free and I don't really get it. Aww. Why you bully me?
so. I want to try this
Like-
again because I think we're right whether it's Doom or Honk, and I'm willing to shoot one of them.
Well,
but
it's
the sus
Honk.
on me is
I thought
irrational.
Salty said it was between Disciple and me.
Cause I thought I
No,
you
that
do
was
this?
fun time. That was fun time because
no,
he thought I did
both
that
of
task.
you
But
did the thing that unlocks
Yeah.
the lights, so it's one of you. Don't you dare
I
put
know,
it
and I
against
told,
Doom.
and I
thought you
did
said
not,
it was
I never
visible.
said Doom. I said me. I said that you were sussing me, and that's fine. But I've been asking literally everyone to kill me, and I've gone into discrete corners. Lucky didn't take the bait. Whoever it was, Ali ended up going into
Listen.
it. I still think it's Hunk or Doom.
I think I
I
have the
still-
You know what I
last
think? I
task,
think you're a dodo.
so I'm going to slowly
I mean, you can
do
definitely
my
vote me if you
last
want.
He
task.
said that he wants to kill somebody, so I feel like maybe Vidge. Maybe Sheriff, I don't know.
You know what I think?
I mean-
I think Despicable is a dodo bird. That's for sure. Because he wants to get out. If he wants to.
Not really. I really do think it's Doom or
Dodo
Hunk,
play
and
of
I'm
the
okay with shooting one of
century
you.
here.
If there's a
You guys
detective,
voting me
someone
again?
just
You guys
detect me,
are
'cause I didn't.
so.
Oh no, I'm dead.
Okay,
Bye,
that's better.
Honk.
Who
Bye.
keeps voting for me?
And stop doing the meetings so I can do my last task.
I will not stop doing that. No.
Free as a bird. Free as a bird. Free as a bird. Free as a bird. I am super duper free. I am free as a bird. Free as a bird. Yeah. I am super duper free. Free as a bird. Free as a bird. I am super duper free. Free as a bird. I am super duper free. Free. I am free. I am free from camping lights.
I stabbed him to death with a spoon, but that's a bit.
Free as a bird. Free.
Where are you,
free as a
Doom? Doom, kill me.
bird.
Come on, let's do it.
Free
Kill some-
as a bird. Free as a bird. Motherfucker.
I wanted to do
Well-
everyone a favor. I wanted to kill him, so yeah. Go ahead and vote me off.
Yeah, he told me if he died, then it's you. So.
Nah.
And I want to say what? I know.
What just happened?
Or we
Yeah,
can,
You wanna know who
before
I-
Just killed in a medical.
or we can finish
recorded
on
it.
task because I think I have the last task, and to be safe to make sure we don't vote the dodo, I can do my last tasks. I've like
Now let's just vote Doom because he's a duck, and to make sure there's not.
But what if I'm a
ducks left.
dodo bird?
Yeah, what if he's a
You're
dodo
not
bird?
dodo.
Then at
How
least
could
the
you
game
kill
is
if you're
over.
Dodo, how could he kill?
Or we could see
No,
him
the last
free
time.
Yeah.
as a bird. We
And
could
if
say-
and if I'm imposter, why would I vote out a dodo?
maybe Salty's a dodo. They keep someone keeps voting them. Maybe Salty's a dodo.
Just a regular goose.
No. Free as a bird, free as a bird, free as a bird, free as a bird, free as a bird,
First.
free as a
right.
bird. That ain't gonna stop me 'cause I'm free. I am free as a bird. I'm so tired of singing this. Free as a bird, 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 free as a bird. Oh. Oh. Wait. Well, fuck you. Free as a bird. Free as a bird.
Well done.
What?
What? Oh, you're happy? And you didn't want to call meetings fun time. You thought I was a duck or a dodo.
Good job.
You are a dodo, just not the dodo you think.
Task. What the fuck, man?
I mean,
I
deal with-
was the duck, but I didn't kill